Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I show you my blast. Okay friends, I am watering in the lockdown time. I am now going to where? I don't know. Guys, you know what it is? It is kisa. I mean long black. I got in the keto now eating with phantok cooking me.
Please bro, subscribe Toko only red color.
Now our village little sis and bro playing in football on the ground. Now coming boy and girl. This is the little Gutka master on the flip flop. A girl watching football. Okay, goal. This is our village route. Very bad route. Sends to machine on the pickup Pukhiri. Now Malik is crorepati Malik.